Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can become an ancient tree garden using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to visit Pippit AI website. Then you're going to sign in to get free credits. And then go to the home menu, add your prompt here and also your photo. I'm gonna upload a random photo from my device. Hold on. This one. Alright, and then we're going to send the photo and also the prompt to AI. And wait for a moment. That's very cool. And I'm going to choose one of them. I think I'm gonna go with this one. And then you can click on download to save the photo to your device. If you're not satisfied, you can regenerate the photo here. And okay guys, that's how you can turn into an ancient tree garden using Pippit AI for free. If you want to try it yourself, you can click the Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description and try to make any photo or any video as creative as you can. Thank you so much for watching and bye.